Hi, Jonathan York from Financial Partners, looking at the investment markets. Could be quite an interesting week this week. The Reserve Bank meets here in New Zealand. No one's expecting any rate change to be announced on Thursday, but it'll just be interesting to see what indications they give towards the expected rate increases that are coming through next year. Most of the smart money is still on sort of April-May time. Obviously the high New Zealand dollar may sort of impact on that a little bit, but certainly expect the first sort of increase to come April-May of next year. Obviously that does have some pretty major implications out there for the fixed interest portfolios, and if you're interested in having those reviewed before the potential interest rates start to kick in next year, call us on 0800 867 323. There is one further IPO out there in the marketplace. Goodman have got a bond issue, but it's a very tight timeline. It's just one day for the opening and closing, which is the 12th of December. So if you're interested in that, call us on 0800 867 323. Yeah, that is a 7-year bond. The indicative interest rate hasn't been set yet, but the indicative interest rate is around 6.1 to 6.3. Equities continue to perform quite strongly out there. The Dow had another very good day on Saturday, New Zealand time. Now just be interesting to see how equities sort of perform towards year end. Certainly markets are up quite aggressively this year, and it'll just be interesting to see if we can hold these gains, whether we do actually see a little bit of profit taking going in towards the year end. Further announcements come out from the Greens. If they win the next election, they're looking at potentially offering Meridian investors the opportunity not to pay their final instalment, and for the government to then take back those shares so they increase their ownership. That's sort of all very well, but it's a big ask. First, you've got to see a Green party in government. Currently in the polls, the Green sort of Labour coalition is still a little bit behind the 8 ball. We're Bay Financial Partners. We'd just like to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a very prosperous 2014. Obviously, if you're interested in buying and selling any shares, give us a call on 0800 867 323 or go to the website www.bayfinancialpartners.co.nz. We look forward to speaking to you soon.